Want to replace your vacuum cleaner's cable reel? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pliers, and a new cable reel. Step 1. Remove the housing. The housing of this vacuum cleaner consists of 2 parts. First, loosen all the screws and then remove the upper part of the housing. After that, you can unclip the lower part. Make sure that the circuit board remains inside. Step 2. Remove the old cable reel. Unclip the cap of the cable outlet with a flathead screwdriver. Hold the cord reel firmly so that the spring does not recoil. Carefully disconnect the cables and take a photo for reference if necessary. You can now remove the reel. Step 3. Install the new cable reel. Connect the cables in the right place, possibly with the help of the reference photo. Insert the reel back into the housing. Pull the cable through the housing exit and click the cover back into place. Step 4. Place the housing back. Replace the lower part of the housing first, making sure the circuit board is firmly pressed into position. When replacing the upper part, pay close attention that the pin of the power button falls correctly into the recess of the circuit board. This prevents damage and ensures that the button functions properly. When everything is properly in place, tighten all the screws firmly again. You have replaced the cord reel and the hoover is ready to use again.